Hello, welcome to the KlinKode ShipRight app tutorial series. Today, I'll show you how to hide any shipping methods based on discount amount using the ShipRight app. First, go to the ShipRight app. Click on the Add a New Rule button. Now, click on the Add a New Condition button. Select the Discount Amount option. Now, set the Hide If More Than field to $50. Now, give it a rule name for your reference. Add your desired shipping methods under the Select Shipping Methods field. I have selected Standard Shipping. If you don't see the desired shipping method names there, you can add them manually in the Additional Shipping Methods field. Make sure the shipping names match exactly as they are in your Shopify shipping and delivery settings. This means that if someone's discount amount is more than $50 to their cart, their standard shipping will automatically hide. Now, click the Save button to apply your rule. Let's head over the checkout page. Now apply the discount code and have a look. As you can see, the standard shipping option is gone because our discount amount is more than $50. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the ShipRight app. Happy selling!